Hey guys, you should stop scrolling because today we're going to learn how to make a picture of the year 2026 because that year is coming up. So, first you're going to grab two papers, one on top of the other. Now, you're going to grab some washi tape to make the year 2026. Now grab some paint of any color you want. Grab a paintbrush of any size you want. Grab a plate of any size you want. Now you're carefully going to open the paint. And then you carefully pour the paint in the plate. Now, get your paintbrush, dip it into the paint, and outline the number. But for the people who chose less than 4 paintbrushes, they should get a cup of water, dip the paintbrush into the paint, outline their number, dip the paintbrush into the cup, and then you can use it for the next color. For those who want it more colorful, they should grab a spoon, grab a paintbrush, dip the paintbrush into your paint, wash it up by dipping it into the water. Do that a few more times until you got a colorful spoon. Paste the outline of the number. And after that, you can wash the spoon. Now for the people who want some napkins. You grab a napkin and then you crumble it. Dip the napkin into some paint. Outline the number. And now you outlined 2026 by using 4 types of methods. Now dip your paintbrush into the paint. Put your finger on the top of it and flick it. Now you got fireworks made of little dots. Now for those who want to use napkins again, they can just grab a napkin, crumble it, dip it in the paint, and they can make fireworks. Now for the people who want it to be colorful and they use a paintbrush, you of course need to grab a paintbrush. Dip it into any color you can find. Put your finger on the top of it and then simply flick it. Now they have little tiny rainbow dots. Now for the people who want a napkin and to make it rainbow, they simply grab a napkin and of course they crumble it and then they dip it into every paint color they could find. Now simply punch it on the paper and now you have fireworks of 4 types. Now here's the best part, taking the tape off. If you take the tape off, you'll be able to reveal the result. Are you ready for the results? In 3, 2, 1. Wow! Look at how cool it is. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.